crafters. This is Tammy with Rainy Day Makers on Facebook and YouTube. And I also have an Etsy site called Spoozy Boo Co. Today we're going to craft on some postcard tags. So I have these. I'm going to put these on our website. I think I'm going to put 4 to a pack and include maybe 4 or 6 to a pack and include some of these cute little reinforcement holes. And in a few minutes we're going to craft with these. I also have some of these perforated printed tags on the website. They're really fun to work with in art journals or junk journals. I've actually tea dyed these before, and these were actually dyed with onion skin, so they look pretty cool. So put those aside, and then lastly, I'm going to put some of these online. These are just a basic tag. Lastly, I'm going to put some of these online. These are just a basic tag, starting from scratch, and they're a really nice cardstock with some of these reinforcement holes in the package. So I'm going to put those on our website, or sorry, our Etsy site as well. So today I'm just going to do some quick little tag art. So this would be, I think, really cute for either Valentine's Day or Easter. So I already stamped on the front of the card. So I'm just going to add, this is a sticker, and they are on our website as well. So I'm just gonna pull this off the backing and try to get it nice and centered on the little frame behind it. I think that looks really cute. And then I'm going to take both of these and I am going to ink up the edges of the cards. I think this adds a lot. Just to ink it up, get that vintage look going. These little stickers are so cute and very vintage looking. And who doesn't like Beatrix Potter? Wonderful stories and wonderful illustrations. I'll try to get the corners really well dark. There we go. There's that. And then I'm also going to ink up the red. And you don't see it as well, obviously, but it still does make a difference, in my opinion, adding that vintage color on there. And then I'm just going to glue this down to the tag. I'm just going to use my regular PVA. I'm going to make sure that it's not clogged. I always keep a little pin taped on the side here. I'm going to get that out of the way. These little bottles are great. And try to get pretty close to the edge so they don't start to come off. And put a little bit in the middle, and that should hold it very well. Again, I'm going to try and get it on there nice and even. I think that's good. And then I found this cute little butterfly in my stash. So I thought I would add him on here. I think that's going to look really cute. Oh, you know what? I think I'll go ahead and ink up the edges of the butterfly as well. That way those white edges aren't showing up. That's the one thing about buying stickers and ephemera. Sometimes you have those white edges, so if you if you use some distress ink or any kind of brown ink. This is Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Vintage Photo Color. And I don't know, I just think it gives it a great look to do this. Since I could mail this, I don't want anything hanging off the edge, so I'm going to keep the butterfly inside of the tag. And there, I think that looks very cute. You could put a sentiment on there if you wanted, but I think it looks great as it is, and then you can send it as Valentine's or Easter card to family or friends. So there's the first one. And again, these little stickers are in sets on our Etsy site at Spoozy Boo. Next, I'm going to do the back of a tag card. And got the layout kind of set on there. But I wanted to show you this fun book that I got a long time ago. I've used the heck out of it. Someday I will use the cover for a junk journal, or I'll make a book out of it or whatever. So I made a bunch of these. I mean, literally, I made this whole bag of these little bundles for journaling, okay? And I just think they're so cute. And so I just cut out some of the little images that were there, very 50s, 60s. I think this book was printed in 59. So there's some fun images in there. And yeah, this is called the Party Book, and it is such a fun little cookbook. Some of the recipes just will make you laugh, I think. But like that, I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh, it's ham, oyster, and mushroom soup. That doesn't really look appealing to me. But this is such a fun book. And it just has lots of fun text in it, fun pictures, and even words and stuff that I've cut out of it. What the heck? I don't know what those are. Little blobs of something. It just cracked me up. But anyway, yeah, very fun book if you could get your hands on one. It's just, I love it. So we're going to just put this together really quickly. I've already inked up the edges and I stamped the background. Now this is something I would plan on actually gluing into a journal, an art journal or a junk journal or whatever. So this is one of the little bundles that I put together, and I'm just, like I said, I've already inked the edges on it. Oh, but I do want to ink the edges on the tag itself. So I'm going to do that real quick. Oh, it's been raining here so much for the last week and a half or so. I'm in Sherwood, Oregon, and I tell you, I need to be in a sunny place so bad. But I make do and do a lot of crafting in the wintertime. Luckily, we don't get a whole ton of snow. Okay. So let's get this glued down. You do have a lot of amount of snow in the mountains right now, it seems like. So Mount Hood and Mount St. Helens. You can see them in the background on a clear day, and they're nice and white and pretty. So it's something to look forward to on a sunny day. And then I cut this little image out. That was just cute for a little additional piece on there. This is very simple and not fancy at all, but it's just, you know, fun to put in a junk journal or in an art journal. I do a lot of collage. That's kind of my thing. So this comes kind of natural to me to do this kind of stuff. So I don't paint a lot, but once in a while I'll use paint and collage. So I even inked the edges of these words because I wanted them to stand out. So we'll see how that kind of stands out in there. Even though it's yellow against yellow there, it still stands out. And then I'm just gonna, there's lines here, so I'm just gonna kind of use those lines too. I mean, I could put them on like diagonal and stuff, but I think the lines look cute. So I'm gonna do it. Put them right above the lines. Christmas, Easter. So the book talks about all kinds of meals and recipes you can use at certain parties, and it's, like I said, it's a very fun book. Definitely worth trying to get your hands on if you can find it at a used bookstore or something. I probably just found it at a garage sale or something, I don't know. Or a thrift store maybe. Hope you can see all that. Hope I wasn't getting out of frame. Tried my best not to do that. Okay. So Simple Simon, very quick and easy. You can throw it in a journal. Let me grab this is my wallpaper journal that I work in often. I actually sell wallpaper on Etsy, on my Etsy site too, so check that out. This might be a little big for this journal. This postcard's a little big, but yeah, I mean, that would be a good start, right? On a bigger journal. Anyway, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe to our channel. Come visit us on Facebook at our Rainy Day Makers Facebook group, and check us out on Etsy. And have a great day. Bye-bye.